What's up, KZN? You're watching the dopest show in KZN. Dope. DOP, the Depen Online podcast with Fly Motion. So today, guys, we're going to accident screening. So I feel very sad because lentally as South Africa, it keeps on going. It's like, I don't know what's going on. So many incidents happening here in South Africa. And I bulala umuntu oyedwa bulala abantu in numbers. So now I'm thinking what can we do about this whole situation, because manje ngibona ngathi no government akanandaba nalento eyenzakalayo. Two, I've got a video engizonibonisa yona later yayo yona this very same accident le eyenzeke lana. According to Women is not Bereru, Advo Bereru, Utene, a bus carrying 60 Zimbabwean collided with a Polo carrying 5 people on the N6 between Ustattenham and East London in the Eastern Cape. So again, it's 60 Zimbabwean actually basi and should obvious about 5 about the behamba Polo South African. Why it always be Zimbabwean on the wrong side, on the wrong lane? Because never is on the wrong lane. All people in the Polo died while 60 passengers on the bus were injured. The Polo is in the right side of the road. Kadama Zimbabwean angathiwa akazi ukuthi abebekwa yini kuleya side. So let's talk about this thing, guys. What do you think about this whole situation? Do you really think government should intervene? What's your take? Do you think, sometimes I think with ilezi ithwalo lezi egcwele nabantu especially abafundisi laba abaprofeti nalabafethi abafuna imali ngendlela eyilula bahamba bebeka ithwalo zabo everywhere, and munganakile you can be the victim or else you can lose your life, because mungalimalanga uyafa direct. I always say with all these accidents in South Africa are just sacrifices. If Kampo Pigisa, please comment down below and tell me what do you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel DOP at dope_ online for subscription or to the notification every time I drop episode. So guys, let's talk about this thing. Isithwalo mongphikisa ngebhala lapho ngibona ukuthi why uTaxon isithwalo uzothi hayi uNkulunkulu usefikile wafika wathatha imphefumulo wakhe. Akekho uNkulunkulu lesihluku kanje, akekho uNkulunkulu ongayeba nesihluku kanje for sekuyisikhathi singakanani nje mfethu sihloko sibhekana nalezi ngozi lezi. This is the only thing that is trending. Yes, we have war lapha Iran and America and Israel. We also have iMandla commission, but le accident is ayodwa nje ifike nje gaqa misi ya disturb kakhulu. So kunabantu abaphawulile lapha yana ku Twitter bakhuluma ngale ndaba ukuthi I think bakhala ngale ndaba ukuthi njalo mekubhala ukuthiwa ene Zimbabwean lapha yaphezulu ku Mr. Smack official ku Twitter uthi this style of journalism is wrong. Zimbabweans are not people. Shothi yabuza la ukuthi kanti amaZimbabwean awabona abantu kusho lapha user kanti no Thabo K lapha ephendula ku Advo Bereru uthi why can't they stay at their home country, village or city? What do they want here then that they don't have there? Zimbabwe condolences to the souls. Or why don't they have maybe stay there in Zimbabwe? Condolences to the souls that were on this day. On this day, may they rest in peace. Yeah, it's always Zimbabwean, and I'm not sure what's going to happen because some Zimbabwean, they always be on the wrong side of the law. Amrobari ibona bekhuluma abantu abanquma abantu ibona bekhuluma abantu abathakathayo nabanemithi ibona abantu abathathela abantu imisebenzi ibona abantu ababulala emgaqweni abantu ibona. What do you think about this situation, about these comments, KZN? Let me hear from the comment section. Omunye lapha Empara Easy The driver and his 60 passengers must all be arrested. None of this would have happened if they had stayed at home. Now I'm confused because Eastern Cape is south, Zimbabwe is on the north coast. So angazi afike kanjani ama-Zimbabwean on the other side. Guys, hit me up on the comment section before we release a video and then we're gonna talk about this whole thing. Here's the video. The dog is very sensitive. If you want to please just overlap. But to those that are strong, let's watch it right now. By the way, you're watching the DOP, the dopest show in KZN with Fly Motion. Please subscribe, like, and smash that button. Don't forget to share a comment.
This is warm.
I can't sing that. Nobody. As you can see, guys,
this is warm.
I'm sure they're traveling to I don't know what to take about this whole situation. Guys, please, as senze sure ukuthi sikhonza uNkulunkulu noma ukuthi ukhonza, but this is the time to make sure ukuthi uyakhonza. They must believe in something. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please qhubeka nibuke ama videos azopop up la screen or else subscribe and then sizobonana to Welizayo. Sobonane mathuneni sobonane mathuneni sobona. Bafethu nisale kahle uFly Motion DOP Durban Online Podcast.